Let's make some epic tech house. First, let's set the tempo to 126 BPM and start with a punch kick from our new sample pack, Infinity Groove. Then some claps and some open hi-hats. We also need some filler hi-hats to glue this up. This sounds basic for now, but if we increase the swing of this, we get that perfect tech house groove. Then some closed hi-hats. Some percussion. Some snare fills. And after 8 bars, let's add some shakers. And some short crashes every 8 bars. Guys, if you like these drums, they're from a new sample pack, Infinity Groove. It has more than 400 drum samples, including kicks, claps, snares, hi-hats, shakers, percussion, and loops. The samples are high quality and ready to make your production process easier and faster. Plus, it's really affordable. And if you use the discount code DIN4, that's D34N4, you get $4 off during November. So if you're interested in this sample pack, make sure to check it out using the link in the description. Now we need a deep and rolling bass line. Let's EQ this to take down the highs. Then some compression. Some saturation to add some color to the bass. And then another EQ to get rid of the weird harmonics of the sound. And let's sidechain this to kick using a limiter. And we can make this bass groovier by creating some pitch bend automations like this. Now we need a simple repetitive synth. I'll sidechain this. Use EQ to take down lows. And add some saturation on the highs. Then let's add some pads. Let's sidechain this and take down lows and highs. Now we need a heavy lead like this and make a simple dragging note, and let's also add some variation to bring this home. Let's sidechain this and take down some of the lows. Then at the second half of the drop, let's add some suspense pads. I'll just sidechain this. Then we need some vocals.
Money, got money, got. Mind expanding. Mind expanding.
Since the drop's now done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the kick, the clap, and the open hi-hat. And introduce the bass, the pads, and the closed hi-hats after 8 bars. And the filler hi-hats at the last 8 bars of the intro. And let's use this crash to transition into the build-up. And the snare fill. At the build-up, let's add the synth and the vocals. Now we need some build-up drums. For that, I'll use this snare from my sample pack. Then let's add some risers. And some downlifters. And to make the drop sound huge, we can use a high pass on the master channel. Now let's duplicate this and change things around at the second half. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.
Ending.